Hi, welcome to Bettersize's new office. I'm Stella, and today I'll be giving you a quick tour of our new office. So let's head right in. So here we are at the entrance. We have 4 meeting rooms here. Let's take a closer look. This is our conference room. It fits all of us. It's the biggest meeting room we have here. And here we have 3 smaller meeting rooms. It's where a lot of team discussions, training sessions, and brainstorming happen. You can take a closer look over here. So yeah, it's where a lot of ideas comes together. We also have meetings with our colleagues and partners all over the world in these meeting rooms. And now down the aisle, we have 3 offices. This one is our administration office. And here we have our finance office and executive office over here. Well, to be honest, I'm a little bit jealous, but we can't function without them, so they do deserve a really nice office. And here is where most of us spend our day. It's an open space for our work, and I love the open layout. It really encourages a collaborative and comfortable environment. So here on the left side, we have our sales team and then the marketing team. And on the right side is our application engineers and software engineers. And this is one of my favorite spots in our office. It's a leisure area. We often have lunch over here, and each afternoon we have our afternoon tea in this space. It's very easy to grab a snack or grab a coffee and have a casual conversation. Last but not least, welcome to our lab, where we keep all the expensive stuff. So now let's take a look. First up is our Bettersize 2600. It's based on laser diffraction and measures both wet and dry samples. We also recently launched the upgraded Bettersize 2600 Plus, which allows you to measure particle shape. You can check it out on our website or social media. And over here we have our particle size and shape analyzers. This is the Bevision D3 Pro. It's one of the Bevision D3 series that we just launched this month. It measures both particle size and particle shape using dynamic image analysis. Essentially, it captures images of every particle in the sample, allows you to gain detailed insight of complex particle morphologies. And over here we have the Binano 180 Zeta Pro. It focuses on nanoparticle characterization. It measures a wide range of particle properties, including size, concentration, Zeta potential, molecular weight, refractive index, and more, all in one single system. It's very compact, very efficient. So that concludes our office tour. We're very excited to begin this new chapter, and we believe that a good working environment encourages collaboration and innovation. So thank you for joining us, and stay tuned for more videos.